Hello! We're going to make a video regarding RPF M91, which is a filter from Royal Pure Filters. First of all, we're going to take out the sticker, and we can see there is a black O-ring in it. Please do not take this out. Now we're going to install it. We're going to put the filter in the adapter, push it in, and turn properly until we hear a clicking sound. When it's installed properly, it's not going to leak, and now we're going to run through water. As we can see, we have water and it's running properly. And now we can also see that it's not leaking or anything, and the water is running properly.